Good morning. Looks like we're going to have a nice clear morning. But the thing still is weird. My neighbor's oak tree still got leaves on it. Today's the 20th of November. My maple tree has leaves on it. But if you can see the leaves, they are crumpled, dead. There's my hand. Trying to get my hand on camera if you can hear that. I think this is probably the first year I've noticed that the leaves are dying early. That's not it. This is probably the first year that I noticed that the leaves didn't fall off the tree. This past summer, they started putting up all this 5G. See that big black thing there? It makes noise and buzzes and hums. Not all the time. I caught it a couple times. Once after they first put it in, and a few times in the middle of the night. This is a Chinese maple. Or Japanese maple, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's the tree that's supposed to have the nice orange, maroon colored leaves. All summer long, it gets a fair amount of sun there. And all summer long, the leaves turn green because of the amount of sun it was getting. Literally bleached the color out of the leaves. And then later this summer, if I can get the street light, they replaced all these street lights. Now, this is like the second time they replaced them, because first they had these little skinny things up there. Sorry, it's wobbly. I'm not using a tripod. Come on. But see that bump on top of that? Yeah, I wrote to the City Council, Department of Electricity Maintenance, the guys that put these up basically, and asked them why they put cameras up in the neighborhood. And he kindly informed me those weren't cameras. Those are sensors so the lights will know to come on. Now, I'm 65. For as long as I remember, as long as electricity was working, the street lights came on, and they didn't need little sensors on the street lights to make them come in or come on. So I don't know what the deal is with these new better street lights that are LED that have to have some sort of sensor. Oh, I just noticed a new little kit thing added to that telephone pole. There, up there, that thing with the little wire. I'm not quite sure what the heck that is. Interesting. But it's like every few days they add something more and more and more. Oh, sorry, going the wrong way. I'll go out. I apologize for anybody that gets nauseous with camera moving too fast. I'm learning how to use my camera. Now that I got a laptop, I can download the video onto the laptop. So But the amount of trees that should be have leaves in the end or the middle half, last part of November we're coming on, should be very few. And they are like everywhere. Oh, I just find that very weird. Anyway, that's all I'm going to show you today. So, I'm going to get this up. I'm working on learning how to use editing software, so it'll take a while. And I'll be able to edit out all that junk. But thanks, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.